Lesson 30, page 61. Hide and surprise. Here we have our right thumb on middle C and the left thumb's on B. You're going to go down by skip here. This is space B to a space G. B wants to be on top, remember? That's a skip. And they're showing what that looks like on the keyboard. B skipping down to G. So let's see if we can play this. It's going to be mezzo forte. That's about 7 on the volume knob. Think of a volume knob. And then here it's about 1. Play really soft here and then really loud here. That's the surprise right there at the end. Okay, here we go. This thumb's here, this thumb's here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to play that again at the same spot. I'm going to play the duet part higher, so you're going to stay right there on this one from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going now to page 29 in the Performance 1A book. This is Anvil chorus. So we have the 2 on E now, and the left-hand thumb is on C. So the 2's on this E, this thumb is on C. That's where our hands are going to be. This thumb's on D, this thumb's on C now. Really loud, it's forte the whole time. You got half notes and quarter notes, very simple rhythms. Everything is going by step or by skip, seconds or by thirds. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure 5. So it's really important that we look at the left-hand numbers below the bass clef and the numbers that are above the treble clef. Those will help you if you look at them. We're going to do this again, but slower this time. I'll start with the right-hand 2 on E. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2. Now a bunch of repeats here. So notice everything's going down. Left thumb, down a skip, down a step. Up a skip, right thumb, up a skip, down a step, left thumb. Okay, now measure 5. Same sort of thing, you're going to the left. Left thumb, skip down, step down, skip up, right thumb, skip up, step down, and the left thumb. Okay, let's go an octave higher and play the same thing again. But we're not going to play that fast. We're going to go like this, really slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Got the idea? Okay, with the duet now. That's the tempo we're going to be at. 1, 2, beginning, play. We're now going to go to the piano book, page 51. Scarborough Fair. Okay, we're going to play piano this whole time. Everything is connected and legato and smooth, except when the phrase comes to an end. So there needs to be a break from the end of this dotted half note before the next phrase starts here. This is the first phrase. It comes to an end here. After 3 counts, you lift that left hand, lift it up to end the phrase, and then the right hand comes down to start the next phrase. So there's going to be a break here in the legato connection, because think of that like that's where you take a breath if you're a singer. You breathe here, and then you sing. All this on a breath of air, and then you run out of air here. You get to take another breath right there. So when you're not singing when you're breathing, right? So that's kind of what you have to do when you play piano, is you're imitating a singer. And so you're going to lift your hand up to imitate the singer taking a breath, and then the hand comes down to start the next phrase. This is the third phrase here. So there's a break right here between this note and this note, and then the third phrase goes from here all the way to here, to this note. It's all one phrase. The left hand has to be very soft in here until the left hand melody comes in. The left hand takes over the melody for here. But these are not melody notes. So those are part of the accompaniment. Okay, so you need to play really soft with the left hand there and that left hand thumb on B. The melody jumps into the left hand here at the end. Then there's a break to end the phrase, the third phrase. The fourth and final phrase starts right here. You're going to lift up with the left hand, and then it comes down to start that last phrase. Okay, I'll play this first. I'd like you just to watch the phrasing and notice how I'm lifting my hands up and down to end the phrase. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, lift. Okay, so we're going to try doing that a lot slower, and we're going to count to 3. We're in 3/4 time. That means we count to 3, and the 4 on the bottom means every quarter note gets 1 count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Second system. Lift. So we've got that third finger playing F sharp again, and there's dotted half notes which are held for 3, regular half notes get 2, and the quarter notes get 1 count. All right, that is Scarborough Fair. We're now going to go on to some other things in the technique book. This book here, page 21. And the busy windmill. All right. So remember, this is going to be F sharp here. That's going to make that note also F sharp. Same thing happens here. This is F sharp. That's F sharp. That's F sharp there. This note is also F sharp. Once you cross the bar line, though, it becomes F natural. The sharp is canceled when you cross the bar line. So this sharp here makes that sharp, but once you cross this bar line, then it's done. That's why they have another F sharp here, because it's been canceled by that bar line right there. Let's see if we can play this one, busy windmill. C position in both hands. Have your fourth finger, left hand 2 and the right hand 4, ready to play this F sharp. 1 and 2 and. Rest back to the beginning. Both hands 2 and. All right, and we're now going to go on to the performance book, page 27. I'm going to see if we can play this fast today. The right thumb's on D, left thumb's on C. My red drum. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, second system. And back to the beginning. Third system.